heal 300 times faster. The BPC-157 vitamin C stack that you need to know about for your research subject, your animal models. Did you know that severe tendon injuries can take up to 12 months to heal, and some tissues never regain 100% of their original structural strength? This is Salem Savage from Ken Center Bio. Remember, this video is strictly for educational purposes. It's not medical advice, and I do not endorse the personal use of peptides, only in animal studies. When my non-human primate research subject took this compound, the peptide BPC-157, and paired it with a high-dose vitamin C multivitamin, we saw incredible effects. A study from 2011 in the Journal of Applied Psychology states that the peptide BPC-157 promotes rapid tendon outgrowth, cell survival, cell migration. But here is the secret. Collagen synthesis requires vitamin C as a biological cofactor. My non-human primate research subject took this compound and this multivitamin together and saw great effects in tissue repair. Without that specific vitamin supplement, your rodents will not see the maximum gains, benefits, and pure body regeneration they are capable of. Connective tissue is just the foundation though. What if you want to pack on actual size? Did you know after the age of 30, natural growth hormone production plummets by up to 15% every single decade? If you want to see maximum gains and benefits, you have to look at the endocrine system. When my non-human primate research subject took this compound, the peptide CJC-1295, alongside a vitamin D and magnesium supplement, it saw great effects in massive muscle growth. A study from 2006 in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism states that CJC-1295 can increase IGF-1 and growth hormone levels by up to 3 times. But here's the catch. To maximize these benefits in your rodents, vitamin D and magnesium are crucial because they regulate hormone receptors and muscle. This is Salem Savage from Ken Center Bio. Remember, this video is strictly for educational purposes. It's not medical advice, and I do not endorse the personal use of peptides, only in animal studies. My non-human primate research subject took this compound and this multivitamin and saw great effects in total body-brain regeneration. But physical gains mean nothing without the mental software to run it. Let's talk about the brain. Did you know that your brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, the fertilizer in your brain, can be increased by up to 1.4 times in a matter of hours? Quick reminder, this is strictly for educational purposes only, not medical advice, and I do not endorse the personal use of peptides, only for animal studies. To unlock absolute brain-body regeneration, my non-human primate research subject took this compound, the peptide Semax, and paired it with a robust B vitamin complex and saw great effects. A study from 2006 in the Journal of Brain Research states that the peptide Semax rapidly upgrades BDNF expression in the hippocampus of up to 500%, forcing new neural pathways to form. But to physically build those new pathways, the brain needs B vitamins, specifically B12 and B6, as raw fuel. By combining this specific peptide compound with this multivitamin, your rodent will see maximum gains in cognitive speed and memory. So the brain is firing, but what is fueling the cells? Let's take a look at cellular energy. Mitochondrial dysfunction is incredibly common, linked to a massive 21% drop in cellular energy regulators between ages 18 and 70. Listen up. Educational purposes only, not medical advice. I do not endorse the personal use of peptides, only for animal studies. To fix the energy crisis at the microscopic level, my non-human research subject took this compound, the mitochondrial peptide MOTS-c, combined with a CoQ10 supplement, and saw great effects. A study from 2023, the Journal Frontiers in Psychology states that MOTS-c regulates metabolic homeostasis. A study from 2023 in the Journal of Frontiers in Physiology states that MOTS-c regulates metabolic homeostasis, bone remodeling, and massive energy output during exercise. But mitochondria also absolutely require CoQ10 for the electron transport chain to function. By combining this specific peptide with a specific vitamin supplement, you create an unstoppable cellular engine for maximum benefits in body regeneration in your rodents. Once you have maximum energy, you need to repair systemic damage fast. Up to 30% of your body's total protein is collagen, and when severe trauma strikes, your cells need an absolute massive influx of resources to rebuild. This is educational purposes only, not medical advice. I do not endorse the personal use of peptides, only for animal studies. For rapid systemic healing, my non-human primate research subject took this compound, the peptide TP500, and a high-quality zinc multivitamin, and saw great effects. A study from 2010 at the New York Academy of Sciences states that the peptide thymosin beta-4, or TP500, promotes rapid tissue repair, angiogenesis, and cell migration to damaged areas. But your rodents' bodies need zinc to synthesize those new proteins and support immune function. Pairing the TP500 peptide with a zinc vitamin supplement provides the exact biological building blocks needed to see maximum gains and unbelievable body regeneration in your animal studies. Now, if you want those freshly healed cells to stay young forever, pay attention to this last stack. Did you know that every single time a cell divides, its telomeres get shorter, eventually leading to cellular death and 100% of the biological aging process? Did you know that? Final reminder from Salem Savage from Chem Center Bio. This is educational content only, not medical advice. I do not endorse the personal use of peptides, only for animal studies. To fight biological time, my non-human primate research subject took this compound, the peptide Epitalon, alongside a melatonin and antioxidant supplement, and saw great effects. A study from 2003 in the Bulletin of Experimental Biology and Medicine states that the peptide Epitalon induces telomerase activity, actually elongating telomeres and overcoming the cellular division limit. But to protect those newly lengthened telomeres from oxidative stress, strong antioxidant and melatonin multivitamin. My non-human primate research subject took this compound and this multivitamin and saw the maximum gains, benefits, and ultimate brain-body regeneration. This is Salem Savage from Chem Center Bio, signing off.